Oh, I'm not saying that it's a great idea or that I think it's going to sell like hotcakes. I'm just saying this is kind of crazy right now. What is going on, folks? It's your man Jay Will. So Energizer, the battery company, they have decided to release a phone with a 16,000 milliamp hour battery. This is crazy. A 16,000 milliamp hour battery in a phone. In all actuality, this is what we really want. We want a phone with a big battery, but we also need a powerful processor inside. We need a beautiful screen. With a 16,000 milliamp hour battery in a phone, they could put in there a Snapdragon 845, a Quad HD display, a 4K display. They can load it up. It's going to be an 18:9 ratio. I don't know when this phone is coming out. It's going to be talked about and released, or at least launched at Mobile World Congress, supposedly. And it is the Energizer Max P16K Pro. There's also a P600S, I believe it is. And that one has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery in it. But it's going to be a 6-inch 1080p plus display. Really should be a Quad HD display in there. I think this is just going to be a very interesting phone, to say the least. I haven't read anything about the processor inside, anything like that. Let's just hope that they bring something. I'd pay $600 for this phone if it had a Snapdragon 845 in there with a Quad HD display and that 16,000 milliamp hour battery with 256 gigs of memory or 128 gigs of memory. I would pay that money for it. But this is kind of crazy that they're putting a 16,000 milliamp hour battery in a phone. Is that necessary? Probably not, because there are phones out there with 6,000 milliamp hour batteries. I happen to have some that actually have long battery life and go for days and weeks. Not weeks, about a week. But 16,000 milliamp hour batteries, that should last a very long time. And I want to get your take on it. What have you guys seen the leaked video? I'll put the leaked video below, I guess. But where are we going with this? I know because they're a battery company, they're piggybacking what they're known for, which is making, having batteries with good battery life. But what is the direction of Energizer? Who are they targeting with this phone? I always ask that about certain phones, and then when I get it, some phones I get it, I'll be like, whoa, this is fantastic. Maybe I'll do that about this phone as well. But for now, what do you guys think about the phone? It actually looks really nice. And, again, no official specs or anything on it, but I'm pretty happy that somebody's taking a chance and doing something different. 16,000 milliamp hour battery. You guys leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. It's your man Jay Will. Check the links in the description so you can follow me on social media. And, just everything's in the description. Just always look in the description of the videos. That is where the good stuff is. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.